Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Eunice and this is another vlog. Okay, so this vlog is a very exciting one because I'm really happy right now. I'm happy because it's a moving vlog. We are moving house, moving from this apartment to another apartment because this place is getting really small for the family and need a place a place that's not spacious, you know. So we are moving right now. The guys that came to take the chair want to rewrap the chairs. So the guys that came to carry the chair to the carpenter's places, they've taken the chair already. I'll just put a clip of their van when they carried chairs. So they've carried the chairs and the house is really empty. Whatever I'm saying now might be echoing. So that's just it. Today is Sunday evening and I think the guy was like, this is Sunday afternoon. This is just 3 o'clock. So the carpenter might take like a week or so to rewrap the chairs. So irrespective of that, we'll still be, moving. So we're just going to quickly sweep up this place. The place is empty. I even saw some of my baby's things littered around. So we're just going to quickly sweep this place and then I have some things to do. I need to go and cook now and then start packing out the things in the kitchen because tomorrow we're going to move them to the other house. Start packing out some of the things in the kitchen that we'll take to the other house with us. Yeah, so hubby went with them over there to the carpenter's place and I'm here with the kids. And my brother is around. Hey, I'm so excited. My brother is around. Really happy. And my anniversary was 2 days ago, Friday. We're 5 years, 5 years strong. And I hope, better years ahead. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's still the moving vlog anyways, and today is the last day of the movement. Yesterday we took majority of the things from this house to the other house, and we came here to clean up the place as much as we can and take the remaining few things that are here. I want to wait till 2 o'clock. I just have clothes from school by 2, so probably will pick her up from school and then we'll head home. So the place is let me show you guys what the place is looking like. So this is an empty house store of where we used to stay. This is what the house looks like. When you enter, this is the visitor's toilet. Then over here there's this passage here. This is where we used to keep the sitting room. This is where the sitting room used to be. I don't even know what I'm saying. There's a door here leading out to the veranda. Then this is the kitchen. And then that's the balcony. I'm so happy that we're finally living here. Let me see. Okay, so this is the smaller room, and this is the master's bedroom. It's quite big. Well, I'm happy we're finally living here because this is very small. So we'll go home now and try as much as possible to see if we can put the other house in order, get the carpenter to come and fix the curtain rods, and then just try and arrange the house. I'm happy we're living here. There's so many things that I'll miss about this place. This place is calm and quiet, very quiet.
and it's a very peaceful compound. People are very, like, everyone here, like, they work together. They're very cooperative. Like, the cooperation is top notch. Even when we have difficulties, like when there's no water because of the light situation here, like, the light has been bad over here for a very long time, almost, if not more than a year, let's just say approximately 1 year and some months. The light has been bad, but still the cooperation is top notch. You know how we get water, everybody just works hand in hand, and everything moves well in this place. And those are things I'll just miss, but all the same, we move. We gotta move on. I'm so excited and I'm exhausted as well. I look a mess. Look at my hair. I need to go and make this hair. Look at my hair. My hair is very rough. Very rough. I've not even had time throughout the whole of this week, since I think last week, Thursday, Friday. We started moving things little by little. But the major packing was done yesterday. And I'm tired. As in, this thing brought out sickness in my body. I even had to start taking anti-malarials and the rest. But we're getting there. So I'm just waiting for hubby to come back, and then we'll move over to the other house. The time is 4 minutes before 2 o'clock, and then we'll pick up my daughter from school and go to the house. Then maybe later in the day we'll come back and pick up the generator, because she's not carrying the generator to the other house. We'll pick up the generator, and when we're done. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Ciao. So guys, we're in the new house now, and I'm trying to like put things together. The whole house is scattered. Everything is just everywhere. Even the sitting room, everywhere is just anyhow. We haven't put anything in order, so I'm trying to see if I can start putting things in place, and then we'll drop back on here. Just put things in place, and I started setting out my spices. I'm going to put them up here.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I think this is going to be the end of this moving vlog. We're finally settling in. Yeah, everything is here already. We've gotten the chairs here. The carpenter has helped us to rearrange the chairs. So this is what the house is looking like now. Yeah, so we're finally settling in. Today has been very busy. We even went to the market and I just got back, so I want to put things away. And unlike our other place, we used to suffer from light, but we came back this evening and there was light. We've been having light for some time now. We've been having light, so that's one thing I'm happy and I'm grateful for. So I'll just put things away. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I enjoyed filming this vlog as well. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. I hope to see you guys in another video or in another vlog. Okay, please don't forget to like, comment, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Okay, I'll see you guys in another one. Bye.